last week's video, we didn't really do that much shit, but this week, dude, we're getting snow again. Fucking every other video, we're getting fucking snow. So we're here at James Street again, but this time we got, oh, that did not work at all, dude. It's so thick. We got a fucking sled. AJ actually bought it. We went looking at Walmart, and dude, they have no sleds. They have pools, they have floaties, they have all summer stuff. No, this was the only sled they had left. It's a nice one, but it was like 15 bucks. So we have to get our use out of it. So then like, maybe either we're gonna return it or we're just gonna keep it for other ideas. Cause next week, we're supposed to get more snow. So it might be 2 videos back to back with snow. See the hill? It's scary. But instead of standing up, this is something I can do. I can't stand up. So let's fucking go, boys. I saw what AJ did. I'm gonna try to like stop it with my legs. As I went up there, it went fucking right up and I goddamn kicked myself in the balls. Dude, what the fuck is this? That could have fucking impaled me. All right, let's get a running start because a slow start wasn't good enough. This time we're going to AJ. Woo. Oh. Fuck, dude, my tailbone. Gloves are for pussies. I've never been this cold, actually. It's colder today than it was when it was raining. All right, let's go hit that bunny hill.
We should see some rain.
Shut the fuck up, Siri, you ugly bitch. Oh, man. Oh, that one got me. Woo. That fucking hurt. Did you see that one? Dude. Oh. Oh, here you go. Oh, right on the same fucking spot. I didn't see this fucking lip, dude. It's another fucking dip. My hand's so cold. All right, one more time. Let's fucking go. Okay, I'm fucking done. All right, boys, next scene. Fuck. All right, switch. Give me those fucking gloves, pussy.
Don't touch me.
Dude, no joke, my hands are numb. Can't feel them. Hold on, give me a quick minute to put them in between my cock and sack.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, my hands are so fucking cold.
Oh, that's warm. We got fire, boys. I'm warm. We're fucking good. Yeah, I'm good. We got all this shit. This shit's amazing. I may have burnt myself a little bit.
So we were gonna go to the tennis court, but it's a whole week later and I didn't even get an upload for this week, so it's gonna be late and this is just going in it. But we got the Cokes over here. Now we're just gonna kind of explode them and see how that goes. It's pretty chilly out actually, and we're losing daylight by the second because we're terrible at time management. And it's just been a busy day because technically St. Patty's Day, even though it's not, it's just when our town celebrates St. Patty's Day, so it's been hectic. So let's get right into it.
Fucking pop, bitch. Oh, you're mine. Oh.
Ooh,
oh, fuck, I hit myself in the nuts. Oh. Oh. Yeet. Fuck. Fuck that bitch. Oh. Whoa! Coca-Cola, bitch.
You're so stupid. We just filmed AJ's segment, and I mean, as you can tell, it looks like a fucking murder scene. The sucky part is, when I was filming it, like, towards the end, I noticed that, like, either it stopped recording or it wasn't filming. So like a lot of this wasn't even like probably filmed. I hope it was, because a lot of it was so goofy. But I'm gonna try to come in and I'm gonna try to do what he couldn't do and have it explode when it hits the ground. So I got 3 drinks to fuck around with. So we got just these like fucking off-brand Sam's Cola. So I can't see it.
Shit, that's scary. Oh God.
Oh, there it goes.
How did you do it?
Oh.
Warm out here.
Dude, this actually is such fucking disgusting soda.
It's so sweet, dude. It literally feels just like sugar.
Yeah, that soda is absolutely fucking horrendous. I used to always drink that too, because my mom would always get the off-brand stuff rather than brand name. But since I moved out, it's brand name. Oh fuck. Oh. Oh, too much. Fuck. Oh fuck. Oh, dude, the fuck. I got it. The cat.
Snow.
Honestly, it's better like that than out of the bottle. Okay, let's do the last one. This one. Fuck. You need it to land on the cap for it to work. If it doesn't land on the cap, it doesn't work. Oh, fuck. Here we go. Oh, shit, it slipped. It's all fucking moist and everything. All right, baby, right here. Oh, fuck. It broke, too. That was such a dud one. I'm in my fucking Air Maxes, too. Well, this is gonna be the outro of this video. For AJ, it's gonna be an intro or something. If you wanna see his clips, obviously you already know what to do. Click on his channel, go check it out. Ideally, new videos every week, but if I don't have enough clips for a video, I might just hold out for a little bit until I get some clips rather than just rush uploading. So, hope you guys understand. Hope you enjoy. Drop a like, and we'll see you guys next week. Peace out.